Birds are a diverse group of warm-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Aves. They are characterized by their feathers, beaks, and the ability to lay eggs. Feathers are a defining feature of birds and serve multiple purposes, including flight, insulation, and display during courtship rituals. Their beaks come in various shapes and sizes, adapted to the specific diet of each bird species. Some have sharp, hooked beaks for tearing meat, while others have long, slender beaks for sipping nectar or probing in the mud for insects. Birds feed their chicks through a process called parental care, where adult birds provide food and other forms of support to their young offspring. Many bird species, such as pigeons, doves, and songbirds, regurgitate partially digested food to feed their chicks. The majority of bird species are capable of flight, though some, like penguins and ostriches, have lost this ability but have evolved other means of survival. Birds are an essential part of ecosystems as they play roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and controlling insect populations.